Today we're sharing how to make shadow puppets. Kids love playing with shadow puppets, and we have an easy project for the kids to play with for hours all day while you're working. Welcome to the Peaceful Play Show. I'm Stephanie Anderson. I help parents who work from home keep their kids busy with creative play activities so they can get more work done. If you haven't had a chance to, subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you know when we post new videos each week.
They're not really shadow puppets. I call them day puppets. You can make them for your favorite animal. You're gonna need crayons, a pole,
or a stick,
scissors, a pencil, and this is a fully
and paper.
And this is a fully complete one.
So how'd you make it?
So I started with some paper, and then I drew this first, and then I did a little circle, like
I'm gonna tilt it this way so they can see, okay?
sort of like an oval. It's supposed to be this way. So sort of like a mouth. And then curve it more in. And go like this. Draw some spikes.
So while he's working on that, we're gonna have Ashley share how she made hers.
So like how you make a shadow puppet, like these ones? Well, I drew a dog. Because dogs,
Hard to see in this light, but you
dogs
can
are one of
kind
my
of
favorite animals.
see.
I like dingoes and coyotes and then just house.
If you
domesticated
use
dogs.
If you use on your black paper that's included, use a pencil. It's hard to see, especially on camera, but you can easily see it when the light shines on it, so it's easy to cut out. And the scissors are right where, Cosby? Are you sitting on them? Good thing they're safety scissors.
I got them from school.
Yes. So he's making what is this, an alligator?
It's a crocodile.
A crocodile.
But you can make it of your favorite animal. My favorite animal is a crocodile, so I'm making one of a crocodile.
So instead of using a stick or a dowel on these shadow puppets, we just took a straw and taped it with regular tape. So after Ashley cuts hers up, she's gonna show what it looks like, but basically we just have it like this. The shadow projects on the wall and it looks really cool. And don't forget to color it if it's a day puppet. If it's a shadow puppet, you just need the silhouette. We're done.
And how you finish up the day puppet of your favorite animal, get a stick or something, put it on the back, and then tape or hot glue, just put it over. You need a really long piece. I got a short piece, so that won't work. So get some Scotch tape, it's see-through. Get a long piece. Get your day puppet. Tape it over. And if it shows off like this, put it like that. Put it like this. And boom, you've got a day puppet.
And Ashley?
And
They kind of look like dinosaurs, don't
this
they?
is a dog.
So there you have it. Have fun making shadow puppets and day puppets with your kids. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next project.
If you like this video, slam the like button.
Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.